Welcome to Helpful and Healthful. What is a sneeze and what causes a sneeze? A sneeze is an unexpected, intense, uncontrolled burst of air through the nose and mouth. It is controlled by the trigeminal nerve present in our face. The trigeminal nerve is a part of our nervous system responsible for providing sensation to the face. It has different branches. The part in your nose is called maxillary nerve. When dust, pollen, or irritants enter our nose, it triggers the maxillary nerve. It then sends the signals to your brain and expels them with force and pressure. We call it a sneeze. A single sneeze can give out about 100,000 germs into the air around. A sneeze can travel about 35 to 45 meters per second. Hence it is necessary to follow precautions while sneezing. 1. Use a tissue while sneezing. 2. Wash your hands right after. 3. Use your elbow to cover your mouth if you don't have a tissue. 4. If you are in a crowded place, sneeze, looking downwards. This would avoid sneezing directly at someone's face. Some people close their mouth and nose at a time to stop sneezing. But it is not a good idea as it forces all that pressure inside your head, which can cause damage to the eardrums or other tissues. Here are some quick home remedies to stop sneezing or to prevent sneezing. 1. Press a finger on your upper lip. The maxillary nerve is also present in your upper lip. So when you press a finger onto your upper lip, it sends different signals to your brain. It distracts the brain. Try doing this, as it might not stop every sneeze, but it might prevent a few. 2. Identify the triggers or allergies and avoid them. Whatever bothers your nose can make you sneeze. Distinguishing the trigger can help you in seeking the proper treatment. You can take an allergy test if you don't know what's causing your allergies. A few usual triggers might include dust, dry air, perfumes, animal dander, flowers, or powders. 3. Photic sneeze reflex. This might sound bizarre, yet the explanation you might be sneezing so much could have to do with how much bright light you're experiencing. Some individuals have a hereditary condition where light exposure and frequent daylight cause sniffling and a prickling feeling in the nose. It's much more likely to appear if you leave a darkish area and enter a brightly lit place. You can wear sunglasses or a cap in bright daylight to mitigate sneezing. 4. Pinch your nose. Lightly pinching your nose when you sense a sneeze approaching may help forestall it. Someone can do this by pinching higher up at the nostril, towards the eyes. There is recounted proof that this might assist with sneezing. 5. Say a fun word. One narrative hypothesis is that an unusual activity of expressing something intriguing or surprising diverts the mind, which forestalls the sneeze. A strange word without holding back not long before sniffling can prevent the sneeze from occurring. Any abnormal or tongue-winding words or phrases can redirect your attention from sneezing. There is no examination to back this case, however, you can attempt to check whether it works by saying some fun words. 6. Use tongue. When you feel a sneeze, press your tongue against your two front teeth or the top of your mouth or tickle the roof with your tongue. The maxillary nerve passes through there too, so it may cause the same distraction to the brain. Doing this for a few seconds before sneezing may assist with keeping it from occurring. However, no logical exploration exists on this subject. 7. Build your immune system. By increasing vitamin C consumption, you can generally reduce your sneezing. Vitamin C is in natural citrus products, certain vegetables, and supplements. By increasing them in your eating routine, an individual may see a decrease in sneezing over the long haul, because of the nutrients-resistant supporting impacts. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to give us a like and share the video with your friends. For more helpful and healthful videos, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Stay healthy, stay happy.